topic is, why do we get hiccups? We mainly get hiccups after eating the food very fast. Sometimes there are air pockets left between two food bites, or we even get hiccups when we eat spicy food. But the main cause behind the hiccups is the diaphragm. It's the muscle below our lungs. It expands when we breathe in and it relaxes when we breathe out. But sometimes the expanding and relaxing becomes fast due to involuntary muscle movement. And due to this, we get hiccups. Sometimes many people, to stop the hiccups, they drink cold water, they blow balloon, or they stop their breath for a while. But mainly the hiccups can stop on their own. One interesting thing about hiccups is, one man named Charles Osborne had hiccups for 68 years. And this is Guinness World Record. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.